Or play at top camo. There's two of them with push shot, right? Stay left, center. Where are they going? Or play at top camo. There's two of them with push shot, right? Stay left.
Go left. That's great. Sweet. Go left. That's great. Sweet. 50.
They're fro, enable. They're fro, enable.
What size sign? Cannon. I don't know. What size sign? Cannon.
Out shot right. Come right now.
L4.
Out shot right. Come right now.
L4.
Left shot. Go hard. I'll get it. Here, drop flag. Right ball, right back. Go hard. I'll get it. Here, drop flag. Right ball, right back. I'm in lobby. I went lobby.
Stop it, guys.
I'm in lobby. I went lobby. Stop it, guys.
One hit.
What's the one shot? You guys are power.
We're in the base.
What's the one shot? You guys are power. Throw weak, flame sword. Throw weak, flame sword. Flame sword. Pull it.
Table tweak.
Pull it.
Numbers, watch out,
L2 weak. Watch out, they're good.
Numbers, watch out,
L2 weak. Watch out, they're good.
Death came on flag.
They're lobby.
Death Death came on flag. Death came on flag.
They're lobby. Rokke,
The other Ken, see this two there. I got neighbor.
Rokke,
The other Ken, see this two there. I got neighbor.
Dude, there's snipes on the head. Dead Rokke now. Dude, there's snipes on the head. Dead Rokke now.
One shot or cannon doors.
Start cannon lobby.
Fuck, dude, I died.
One shot or cannon doors.
Start cannon lobby.
Fuck, dude, I died.
One shot or cannon doors.
Start cannon lobby.
Fuck, dude, I died at rocks. I died rocks or flag rocks. I died rocks or flag.
Jump in or cannon. Jump in or cannon.
Two our flag runner guys. I need help.
Alexander, jump in or cannon. Jump in or cannon.
Two our flag runner guys. I need help.
Alexander.
Enable. R1.
R1. Let it go.
Enable. R1.
R1. Let it go.
Stay like, please.
I can't do this. Let's fight, please.
Fine.
I'm walking.
It's weak. I got check. Stay like, please.
I can't do this. Let's fight, please.
Fine.
I'm walking.
It's weak. I got check.
Snipe right now.
L3. Arthur.
Snipe right now.
L3. Arthur.
Go at it. Micro up the rocks are and rockets are one. Go at it. Micro up the rocks are and rockets are one.
This one down.
There's two guys in your base, so flames on our base.
I got a saw one up.
This one down.
There's two guys in your base, so flames on our base.
I got a saw one up.
Top right.
They're flagging rocks. They're flagging rocks. See that?
Top right.
They're flagging rocks. They're flagging rocks. See that? Push on out.
R2 guys are free.
Push on out.
R2 guys are free.
L2 of hit. I got one L2.
R2. Hit top right.
L2 of hit. I got one L2.
R2. Hit top right. Hit top right. Ace, find him. And lift it. Hit top right. Ace, find him. And lift it.
I'll get him. How much?
Ace hit somewhere. He's in bed.
One shot. I'll get him. How much?
Ace hit somewhere. He's in bed.
One shot. I'll get him. How much?
Ace hit somewhere. He's in bed.
One shot.
Two guys L3 and
Three in their
R2.
lobby. Stay alive.
All three up top.
Bait.
Stay low.
Two guys L3 and
All three in their
R2.
lobby.
Stay alive.
All three up top.
Bait.
Stay low.
He-man's hurt. Hands up top. He-man's hurt. Hands up top. Close street.
Stay, I got
Top right, close street.
Stay, I got
I got him. Open ramp. Lifting up open. He's under pressure.
Push three. Top gold as well. Push three and top gold.
I got him. Open ramp. Lifting up open. He's under pressure.
Push three. Top gold as well. Push three and top gold. Someone go shoot in this guy. I'm one shot.
Open ramp.
Someone go shoot in this guy. I'm one shot.
Open ramp. Pushing back open. I'm about to die. Pushing back open. I'm about to die. Open skinny kill. Open skinny kill.
Kill the other guys.
He-man's other guy buying gold.
Kill the other guys.
He-man's other guy buying gold. One shot,
Lobby, those shields. Let's go.
Front door weak.
Let's go, babe. Lobby, those shields. Let's go.
Front door weak.
Let's go, babe.
Rocks, to your right, Clee. Top goal.
Got him.
Rocks, to your right, Clee. Top goal.
Got him.
No stupid deaths.
I'm hitting it again.
In basement.
Stay alive.
No stupid deaths.
I'm hitting it again.
In basement.
Stay alive.
Push three.
C1 up close. C1 up close.
I'm gonna try to get one guy weak and then I'm gonna go skinnies. We're gonna try to get one guy weak and then I'm gonna go skinnies.